Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to make sense of corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we're diving into a report from Digimarc Corporation, and let's just say there's some drama brewing between shareholders. It's like a corporate soap opera, but with more numbers and fewer love triangles, maybe. Digimarc just released a report called an 8K. Companies use these to tell investors about big news that could affect the stock. In this case, it involves some shareholders disagreeing about the direction of the company. So what's the story here? Basically, it seems like one shareholder, Ocho Investments, has some concerns or suggestions for Digimarc, and they've made their opinions public. By filing documents with the SEC, the government agency that oversees financial markets, Digimarc mentions that its board and management are talking with Ocho Investments about what they said. The company says that Ocho Investments, a shareholder, made some filings, including exhibits with the SEC. Two of these filings were made on Schedule 13D, and one was a notice of exempt solicitation. They call these the shareholder communications. It sounds like there's some disagreement on how the company should be run. It gets more interesting. The report then mentions that other shareholders are coming to Digimarc's defense. Lagoda Investment Management, or LIM, sent a letter to the board saying they totally disagree with Ocho Investments and support the current CEO, Mr. McCormack. Think of it as a vote of confidence in the company's leadership. Next up, Kimmelman & Baird LLC, or KNB, another Digimarc shareholder, sent a letter backing a recent decision made by the board and the CEO. It sounds like they're on board with some changes the company is making. So now we have shareholders on different sides publicly stating their opinions, and yet another shareholder chimed in. Silverberg Bernstein Capital Management, or SB Shim, sent a letter also expressing support for Mr. McCormack's performance as CEO. This is pretty significant because it shows that the CEO has support from multiple major shareholders, even with the disagreement from Ocho Investments. The company attached the letters from Lagoda, KNB, and Silverberg Bernstein as exhibits to this report. This lets everyone see exactly what these shareholders are saying. It's all about transparency, even if it means airing some dirty laundry. Now let's step back and look at what all this means for Digimarc. Digimarc appears to be facing a bit of an internal tug-of-war. On one side, you have Ocho Investments pushing for changes. On the other side, you have multiple shareholders expressing their support for the current CEO and the company's direction. It will be important to watch how Digimarc navigates these different opinions. Can they find a way to address Ocho Investments' concerns while still maintaining the support of other shareholders? The company's future performance could depend on it. One potential strength for Digimarc is the clear support from several shareholders for the current CEO and direction. This shows that there is confidence in the leadership team. A possible weakness is the public disagreement with Ocho Investments. This could create uncertainty and potentially distract management from focusing on the core business. A notable opportunity for Digimarc is to engage in constructive dialogue with all shareholders, to find common ground and build consensus. The biggest risk is that the shareholder disagreement could escalate and negatively impact the company's stock price or its ability to execute its strategy. In conclusion, this report reveals a company at a crossroads. The key question is whether Digimarc can successfully manage these internal disagreements and continue to move forward in a unified direction. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Let us know what company you want us to decode next.